What's going on, and welcome to Oil and Gears. Today we're going to do something that I've been trying to find a solution to when I put the KENSTYLE body kit back on my RS8. Now, as you know, if you've been watching my videos, I put new front and back bumpers. I made sure that the license plate holes were shaved off and you couldn't see them because I'm putting my license plate somewhere else. I didn't want to have drilled holes into the new bumper. But and also the new illuminated emblem is going to go on there. But I did find a solution. When I put the KENSTYLE body kit back on the car, there was gaps, and I did buy weather stripping that was made for the KENSTYLE body kit that was just like what came on the factory, but I didn't like it. So I did find a gentleman on YouTube who did this, and I figured this could be done with any type of, body kit or wide body or anything done for the car that needs gaps filled in. So here we go. Let's get to it. All right, so what do you think? We used the Dap Dyna Flex Black Sealant on the KENSTYLE body kit. Now it's been on there for a while now, and I'm telling you, it works perfect. The gaps are sealed. Nothing is getting in there. It makes it look really good, and I'm finally pleased with the outcome and finally finding a solution for the gaps in the body kit. Now, I will put everything down in the description below. I hope this helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!